So welcome everyone. So today is the I think I'm forgetting the session, which session it is, but I think it is the sixth session on web series development and almost 16th, 17th, 18th or 19th continuous session on script writing development. So Ranjit and Gopi, you are there. You have joined. Sorry that I joined it late, but it's good that you two are coming. And I was thinking a lot about you. So Gopi just told me that he has read a lot of scripts. And Ranjit, are you there? I think there is some connectivity issue. So Gopi, you can come and we can discuss more things. If anything you wants to ask.
Sure.
Yeah.
I learned from you web series how it is writing, and the trainer also gave so many ideas and all.
Okay.
Now, actually, earlier I told you we discussed. I'm not able to think about the story and all.
Okay. But
So to get an idea,
so you have
I'll start.
you have written the ideas.
Uh,
Okay.
I found one idea. I sent you snap. Is correct.
Yeah, one you sent me. Yeah, one you
That is
sent me.
thriller. That story is thriller,
Yeah.
mystery thriller, and love genre, and entertainment.
Mhm.
100% you will read.
Okay.
Scene by scene, I want to write it's a seed edge thriller, you know.
Mhm.
Seed edge thriller. Seed edge.
It is a movie. That is a movie script or web series. Web series. That is for web series.
I will convert to web series. That's all.
That's for web series now. Yeah. And
No,
Ranjit,
it's not a web series. It's a movie. It's a movie. Not
it's
a
a movie, but you also mentioned that it's a web series. Okay.
web series. I have to change. I have to change. I have to
Okay.
write. I learn from you now. I'll start writing.
Okay. So Ranjit, have you written anything? You were telling me on that day that you are interested in comedy writing. So have you written anything so far?
Sir, I'm seeking for this idea. You know, in this lockdown, I cannot get any kind of idea
Okay.
because of this. Because it cannot. Idea cannot be. You know, whenever I need, I cannot get the idea. It used to come randomly when I'm going around or something.
Okay. So when you are thinking
Yeah,
about
for
the
me-
when you are thinking about the idea, are you also thinking about that where you want to pitch this idea or you want to make on yourself? Like, do you want to make it for like professional world, a particular industry, or you want to make it on your own, direct it on your own, produce it on your own? What's that in your mind?
Sir, for me, actually, I want to be an independent filmmaker.
Okay. So the idea which you are thinking now is, hi Jerish. So idea which you are thinking now is that you will execute on your own.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
But execute in a sense, I need the guidance from the teachers also.
Do you know
You,
Pavan
I
Hovam
need a
Kumar?
guidance, but
Have you ever heard his name?
No.
Pavan Hovan Kumar. He's from Assam. He's a documentary filmmaker. He was our senior and he has been awarded with many awards. I think he also received national award.
oh,
Yeah. So if you want any guidance, I don't have his number, but I will try to get his number and I will call him one day in our session.
okay.
Yeah.
It will be great to.
So when you are
Yeah.
planning to execute, actually I wanted to carry on with our web series development, but some things came to my mind and concerning that related to our present ongoing discussion and seeing the whole scenario of a production. So I was going through the VTR, viral TV something. This website I was going through viral video something viral tally video. I'm forgetting the full form. Arpit is writing for that, and Arpit came day before yesterday, and so I was going through that and I found that their revenue is also coming from YouTube. So production quality is not that, but they have a particular mindset in all their programs, in all their series, that they want to cater the very younger audience. Like they have a particular audience between 18 to 30 or 35, not more than that. So between 18 to 30. So most of their programs are between that, and it's not that only 30-year-old person is watching, but the characters I saw were mainly the stories and characters are like that, and they are new. And I read there on Wikipedia that they started something with $10 million, that is $1 crore. I mean, 10 million is, yeah, $1 crore. That's quite high actually, around 70 crore rupees. And now their value is like 60 something million dollars within few years. But though this value, when you look at the value is heightened. But we don't have to go much into that. We have to see that when, as I said about Netflix, that content is very similar on each series, on each apps. So, and now we have one revenue generation platform, which is YouTube. But I tell you one thing, I started uploading my videos on YouTube in 2007 or 8. 7 I started uploading, and it was very new, and very few people used to upload on that at that time. Later on, when people, and I was not doing that for monetization. And when in 2014, around 2012, I came to know about monetization thing. And but I was not monetizing till 2014, 2015. In 2015, my friend came to me, and he is into production in Mumbai, and he said that I am earning around 30,000 rupee per month with my extra earning with my YouTube. So why don't you try? And because they are into production for many years, they had lot of small videos, and they have lot of feature films rights, original rights. So I decided that okay, I will try. So I monetized my videos, and soon I started getting, like, it was like 100 rupee per day I was earning. And there was a time when I decided in 2016 that I will give some more I will give some more attention to YouTube. So I made a target that apart from my other earnings, I will make it a 500 rupee per day from YouTube. So let the 500. So I had in this mind thing is in my mind. I was writing. I was into script writing, but I because I am staying in Delhi after marriage, so I couldn't go to Bombay. I had some other issues, health issues were there, and my work was going. I was getting revenue, but it's better to have more revenue so that you can get time. And I used to buy a lot of books on cinema and lot of DVDs. So I made a target that I will move my this 100 rupee per day from YouTube to 500 rupee per day. And they give, when their threshold is $100. So when your balance is $100, they will send $100. So I reached to the point where I could get 500 rupee per day. Now that was a very, so when I was earning 100 rupee, I thought that okay, it will give my bills of milk and bread. That was all in my mind. Then I paid some attention, and I made some more videos, and I gathered some videos and remade them, which were already in the public domain, and that revenue went to 500 rupee almost per day. So I got, and sometimes I got, the maximum earnings I got was like 24,000 rupees in a month. But there are very typical issues with YouTube, and there's a lot of problem with YouTube. Suppose a video is in the public domain. Let us discuss the problem of YouTube. Suppose a video is in public domain. Someone makes a video. Supposing someone makes in Assam, and for public awareness, he or she uploads that. So that legally that video doesn't have copyright. Now, if suppose ABP channel or Ask channel, they makes a news on that video, and they upload that news on their YouTube channel, and you are also uploading a news or something on that, or you are uploading it raw, then YouTube will send you notification that this has copyright issue. One problem. Second problem, YouTube is having some inbuilt softwares, and even if so there was a an incident happened where a person beat kids who were taking bath. So now kids were in their underwears, they were not nude, and they were kids like 6, 7, 8 years old. I uploaded that news. Then they sent me a notification that it is violating their guidelines of about nudity. So there was like children are never considered as we never consider nudity in children, and they were not nude, they were wearing underwears. So this is one problem, that their internal software, it catches the human images. Even if I uploaded the image of Buddha or some Indian saint, and generally they don't wear on the top, that also is stopped by YouTube and Facebook also. Facebook is also having this problem. Another problem was regarding the music. So I shot a documentary by the name Challenge. It was on autistic children, and one of the child, she was learning. She was autistic, but she was learning dance, and she showed us a presentation on uh, Om Bhuvah Swaha. That is the Gayatri mantra. So she was presenting a classical dance, and that sound was very low, and we recorded that sound, I mean not intentionally, but it was part of that video. And not even that shot was not even like Om Bhur Bhava, only that much part was there in the documentary, and that was very low because our emphasis was to show the talent of that autistic child. But YouTube matched that with the original of HMV, and they again sent me a copyright issue, and they started blocking the channel. Now my whole thing, like apart from even if you are not making videos or you are gathering videos from public domain news which is coming, that takes lot of time. It takes lot of time, effort, energy. So for 2 years, from 100 rupee per day, I went up to like 600 or 700 rupee per day. As I said, 25. But suddenly they stopped. They started it again after 3, 4 months. Again they stopped, and I kept sending them emails that what is the issue. You tell me a single video where there is nudity. You tell me a single video which has violated copyright, but they could not provided me a specific video where it is a problem. So when you are thinking about making for YouTube, the things which I have told you, that you should keep in mind, and particularly if you are making your content. So music is a very big issue. It's very big issue because two musics can easily match. So whether you want to keep music in your content, so when you are making, and without music it's sometimes difficult to keep the attention retained. So these things, and I think YouTube also does this intentionally to, and but I have seen that they are even nude movies, and we are seeing advertisements on that, and but they are not from India. So somewhere they are not, I mean, and there is no YouTube, red YouTube. In red YouTube, you earn more, and that service is not given in India. But it is good for the people who are beginner, and if suppose you want to execute on your own, or someone else wants to make their own projects, so you can make a group of people, I mean newcomers, very newcomers, and think about the web series. Think about the web series that you are gonna make, and wait for 1 year time. 1 year time is like a, in every business, 1 year is the least time, because you also need 1 year. That is a YouTube guideline that the content has to be watched for 4,000 minutes, and 4,000 minutes is very long period, and it should be there for 1 year. The channel has to be 1 year old, 4,000 minutes of content, and then you have to be uploading content continuously. But the problem is that anytime, without any judgment, they start blocking your. First, they start sending you, and their way of working is very, I mean, very authoritative, and they work on the basis of these softwares. There is no human touch in YouTube or Facebook. These all these platforms are very, I would say, they are very unstable kind of things, but you use them as you like to use. Nowadays, when I am promoting this class, and when I go to some groups, I mean groups, amazing thing that people have become authoritative for the groups. And though I don't charge anything for this session, it's a learning session for me and for all of us, you also, and whoever will watch. But the groups, they don't allow me to put this our advertisement, which is like free online class. And in Facebook, if I type free, so it automatically sends me to advertisement. And what happens that when a thing is sent to the advertisement, after they either decline or they send you notification that have you sold this, though I am not selling anything, but they will ask, have you sold this? And then there are people who are become admin and they don't have anything to else to do. I think they don't have any source of revenue, so they ask me that it is a paid group. I mean, this is a very bad thing happening. And I have so many groups, I have so many people, I mean, so many groups I do maintain, and people are posting there. It's hard to manage the groups, it's true, but you have to think these things, but there is always a way to get revenue. So these things which I told you, and if you are somewhere else, you can think about this thing. And all three things are for all the independent makers. Some three basic things I would like to suggest. One thing, firstly, good writing work. Written work should be good. Second is camera work. I mean, you take someone who is good in camera, who has an aesthetic sense. And third thing is acting. Now, acting people, many filmmakers and many people, if you look at the film diplomas, many people who come to film schools are not from theatre background. And it's not that you require theatre for acting, but if you are from theatre, acting, film acting is not doing any acting, but at least you have a sense of something dealing with the actors, getting what you want. So these are the basic things. Then a setup should be good. Okay, so today we have Ankush and Shashikant. So Shashikant, are you here for the first time, or were you present in previous classes?
Yes, sir. I come here first time, sir.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from actually Nagpur, sir, but now I'm staying in Goa. I'm working there, sir.
Okay, so what are you doing?
Sir, I'm as a trainer, sir. Gym trainer.
Which trainer?
Gym trainer, sir. As a
Gym
fitness,
trainer.
sir.
Okay, you train
Yeah.
in gyms. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have anything connected or related to films or TV? Have you worked with your friends or somewhere professionally?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Anyway, welcome to the class. Do
Thank
you
you, sir.
do you have my WhatsApp number?
Yeah, I have your WhatsApp
Okay.
number, sir.
So you send me a
Yeah.
message for the previous videos and watch previous videos.
Okay, sir.
So we also have Jayesh with us, and Jayesh, you were telling me about some series that you have watched and it has some similar character. So would you like to tell more about that? Jayesh is also a writer. Those who are new, I want to tell you about Jayesh. Jayesh is a writer from Gujarat. He lives in Gujarat and Bombay, and he has also written books on poetry, and he is into script writing already. So Jayesh, please explain that what you were telling me.
First of all, I am audible.
Yes. Very
My
much.
voice is, I think,
Yeah.
audible to everyone.
Yeah.
Just I wanted to share one thing that one of my friends suggested.
Just be loud.
Loud.
Yeah.
Okay. One of my friends suggested me one movie.
Okay.
I would like to tell about that movie.
Okay.
That I liked it very much.
Mm-hmm.
It is a South remake.
Okay.
Film name is Ratsasan. Ratsasan.
Okay. Tamil
The
movie.
meaning, yeah, it's
Okay.
a Tamil movie, but you can get it in the YouTube. It's dubbed in Hindi.
Okay.
So the meaning of Ratsasan is a Rakshas. demon.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what I'm watching many movies and web series for writing actually. Okay, I get less time for reading, but watching we can do anytime, anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So from this movie, since I am a thriller, I'm in that genre. That movie is thriller movie. So I would like to tell one of the see Ranjit Singh has written that Ratsasan was a great movie. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. In that movie, particularly Ranjit, you can hear me. Entire movie is of a kidnap. Okay. So in that, school girls are being kidnapped. Now Ranjit is open. Ranjit, can you hear me? Yeah. What do you like in that movie?
Hello.
What do you like in that movie?
Actually, yeah, it was thrill and it was.
Yeah, but any particular thing you noticed in that? Many things.
I liked. It was psychological thrill. Yeah.
Okay. Psychological thrill also.
Psychologically,
Yeah. Well, what I as a writer, what I am turning to you is the character of the villain is absolutely brilliant. You, Nikhil, I would suggest you to.
I will watch
that.
it. No, tonight we will watch it. I will watch it with my family.
You please watch and आप सब भूल जाओगे.
Okay.
That which they portrayed, the writer has made that character. It's absolutely brilliant. I have not seen anywhere that character villain. Villain comes at last 35 minutes.
Okay.
Villain comes at last 35 minutes, and you will be shocked that this type of villain that you have seen.
Mm-hmm.
So the way they have done the magic, the gimmicks they have played in that movie, and it's absolutely psycho thriller. बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी है. The way they have shown psycho thriller. आप देख
But
लेना.
you were telling me something related to character. What was that?
That character only, if I reveal
Okay,
you, you will
about
not
the
count
okay. We will watch it. We will watch
about
it.
that character, that villain character जो है ना,
Okay.
it's something different.
We will watch it. I will watch
You
it.
can I wanted to tell one thing.
Gopi,
about
have you
character.
seen that movie? You are from Tamil Nadu.
So what is the movie name, sir?
Ratsasan.
Pardon?
Ratsasan. It is written in the chat.
Oh, okay. I know, I have seen.
Okay. So we will watch it. We will watch
You
it.
watch it and give me response in WhatsApp.
Yeah, tomorrow I will. Tonight I will watch it.
In that character.
Sure, definitely.
Pardon? Definitely, Achha, definitely. Okay, you watch that movie. The villain is there. The villain has a brilliantly written character of the villain, and he has performed also well. Hero की छुट्टी कर देता है. Only comes in 30 minutes last, but you will have a pity on that villain also. So I would like to tell, I like that character, and I saw 3 times continuously that movie for as a screenplay writer.
Okay.
So I will develop develop that type of character in my next story I'm thinking.
Okay.
And the transformation of the scenes are brilliantly written. So, and also Nikhil, I would like to tell you one thing. You explain something about web series, about a Hindi popular web series as an example. Any web series which you have seen and you liked?
No, I didn't like anyone. Hindi web
You
series.
didn't like anyone?
No.
Okay. In any about in Netflix or Amazon, in any web
I have
series which
watched. I watched Sacred Games. I watched Mirzapur. Mirzapur's first part was okay, but not that too much. I mean, see, actually, that is one thing. When we are talking about films as a professional, I mean, we can keep these things away, like it is in Hindi or Tamil or whatever, because as I told many people that I mean, it's like when you are like a doctor, like you are doing a research kind of thing. So it's not that you are not the user actually.
Rajasan movie.
Rajasan.
Ratsasan.
Rakt Shasan.
Yeah, Rajasan, yeah.
That
yeah.
means
It's a very
Rakt
nice movie.
Shasan.
It's a psycho thriller.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very wonderful. It's a movie. It's very hit. The character is he cannot able to speak in public.
Yeah.
Okay.
That guy Ram
That's
Kumar.
what
His name is Ram Kumar.
That's what I am requesting everyone to see that villain character in that. It's absolutely
He
brilliant.
designed.
Okay.
He designed very well.
Yeah. Same thing. I was.
There was one series actually, which I could say that it was very good, and the name of in Hindi series, and Madhavan played in the lead role of that web series. Breathe. Yeah, it was very initial when I started watching web series, so
Yeah.
I watched
Yeah,
that actually.
From
So
that web series only I started seeing web series.
okay, okay,
Breathe was
That is
my
amazing
first one.
first
Yeah.
web series in industry.
but it's
Eight series.
yeah,
Breathe was absolutely very good thriller. Same
Yeah.
type. It's my taste. I like that type of
Yeah.
things very much. So I always very nice acting of Madhavan also in that.
yeah. So we also have Fardina with us. Fardina, please welcome to our session on script writing. And
Thank you.
would you like to introduce yourself? Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Assam.
Nice.
I
We-
stay in Guwahati and
Okay.
I'm an associate professor in Guwahati University.
Okay, so we already have Ranjit from Assam, and he's attending all the sessions from the very first session. And today is this continuously, I think 18th or 19th day. So Ranjit, please introduce yourself and your place to Fardina.
Yes, hi ma'am. How are you?
Hi. Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh yeah.
So where do you stay? Where are you from?
I'm from Silchar, Assam.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Ma'am, where are you, professor?
Uh,
No, I am an associate professor
Okay, where?
in Guwahati University.
And what is your subject?
I teach English literature.
Okay. So are
I
you
was in FTA for this FSC course and I attended few
Which course?
courses. FSC course in FTI.
F
That film appreciation
film
course.
appreciation course? Okay, you did that from
Yeah,
FTI. Which
Yeah,
year?
and I also attended this 2012. That was 2012. And
Okay.
I attended another scriptwriting workshop
Where?
there in Pune.
In Pune. Okay. With whom?
Yeah.
Who was-
I don't remember now
Okay.
exactly the resource persons.
So are you also connected to films somewhere?
Yeah.
In which capacity?
I write. I write on films,
Okay.
but those are academic papers,
Okay. So you are into. Okay.
not reviews.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just.
But not into the production.
That's clear.
Production like.
Yeah, not right now.
Okay.
Yeah, but I
So
hope I can do something. short
Ranjit
film.
Ranjit is planning to go into production, and I hope
Oh,
that
that's
if
great.
yeah. So if you have not watched my videos, please I will. Do you have my WhatsApp number?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have.
Please send me a message. I will send you link of the previous videos. And
Sure,
if
thank you.
possible, please share your knowledge with us.
Yeah, I
On-
can send you one or two papers that have
Yes,
already
yes. Then we
been
can-
published.
Yeah, then we can
So,
go and discuss those
one
things.
is, of course, on Assamese movie, one director, and it's theme-based paper, of course,
Okay.
which was presented in Edinburgh
Okay, nice.
in a film philosophy conference.
Okay.
So I can send you these two papers.
Yes, please do send me, and we will go into that. So this session is mainly about script writing from the professional point of view, but we also discuss some other areas of filmmaking, and it's not just that I am only teaching here. I am also learning with every one of you in whatever
that's
capacity
something
you are.
always learn.
Yeah. So every night like 10 o'clock we try to connect with people who are there, and So I was going to the actually web series, a session on web series, where I choose this web series Breaking Bad. So Breaking Bad, I have already discussed about. First, I have already discussed a lot about the basic structure of a story, a film story, a movie story, a basic structure of a screenplay, and the steps which we should take. I have not gone too much into the characterization and dialogue writing of movies. That I will take later on, but because today's time web series are in fashion and they are our future as a writer, as an audience also, and there are a lot of things which are associated with web series which we can't do with movies, like long lengths. Length is something which is Indians like, and particularly Asians like Japanese people, they watch a lot of TV. And now the generation is like lazy generation. We don't spend much time in parks, in gardens, but we spend times with our phones. So today is the time that this capacity has also increased of watching, and a need for content has also grown. So then I came to this developing a web series, and I so far I have talked about writing a pilot for a web series, the elements in the pilot, the basic need of the main character, the internal need, the difference between internal need and external need, not only of the main character but main characters or some other characters. But we should know at least the basic need, the internal need of the main character, the internal need. So internal need is our main plot. That need is our main plot, and then we build story over that. So in Breaking Bad, the main character, who is a chemistry teacher, he is timid. He doesn't speak about himself. He is humiliated at his school. He is humiliated at his home also. He is also humiliated at his another workplace where he works in a car service center. And then he got lung cancer. So his internal need is to get out of that timidness, out of that inhibition. And but he got lung cancer. Now this he got lung cancer is the part where the whole story turns, his life turns. So it is like the hook, what is called in movie writing, the main problem which appears. And when we are writing the pilot for a web series, my personal preference is that write a pilot as if you are writing end of the second act of the movie. And what is that end of the second act of a movie? It is a situation where the main character or the main characters have to fight or flight, and then they decided to go further. And so in the web series the story moves further, but because web series are longer, and after writing the first season you don't know what to write for the second season, and expectations are higher. That is why you have to watch a lot, you have to read a lot, and you have to think a lot. I sent one statement from the writer, from the creator of Breaking Bad, and he said about making the characters what you feel from inside. It's good, it's true, things should come from inside, but when you are working commercially, you have to look outside also. As Jayesh just given us example of Rakt Shasan movie from Tamil Nadu. Likewise, you watch a lot, and apart from watching, you have to spend time in your writing. So when you are writing, the things develop, the story develops. Okay. So in the yeah. So in the pilot, I have already mentioned that Walter, introduction of the Walter, introduction of our main characters. We have freedom of introducing our main characters in the later part of the series, in the later seasons, but this shouldn't be done in the movies. Exceptions are always there, but these all characters should be linked to the internal need of the characters or their past lives, the backstories. So backstories we can reveal in the web series. Nowadays people are using these backstories to build a separate episode, but be cautious when you are doing that if there is a need or not. So I will come
Nikhil,
to.
I would, one minute,
Yeah,
Nikhil, I would
please.
like to interrupt one thing. I don't know whether all contestants or participants are agree or not. One thing I just wanted to know in the pilot, suppose we are writing or we are making a web series of 6 episodes, okay? And if the producer tell ki you write a pilot, so summary line within 3 lines, you tell me what should be written in one pilot and how much should be the length.
See, I have already discussed this thing. I
I
will.
went.
I will tell you in the short.
Okay, please.
We
I want to
also
take 2
have 4
lines.
new people on this topic.
Yeah.
See, first you come up with the idea, and about the idea, the things which you keep in mind is about the budget of the producer, that how much a producer can spend. This you can judge, or this first you try to judge. Better not to talk to the producer about this.
Okay.
But if you talk, it is better because I have seen many people and they are very enthusiastic. And particularly in the areas where people are not working in the films, they are very enthusiastic. And I had many bad experiences with this. Like they were calling me, okay, please get the script ready, get the script ready. And even in the films also, I have worked with many people and I have written so much for them. But when I am ready and I started calling them, they are not, they stop picking the phone. I tell you one.
Yeah, it happens. It
Yeah.
happens. Yeah,
So better you first judge the capacity of the producer, how much he or she can spend. And it's not a bad thing that one can spend because passion should be there about the filmmaking. But actually person who is already into the films or who has worked practically in the films, for that person it's, even if that person doesn't have much in the pocket, he has capability or she has capability to call the people. I made my feature film, I called my friends, I called some friends of my friends, I paid them like flight tickets and so on. They didn't ask me anything. I made the written agreements on the profits, but they worked for me not because I could make them work because I was into the films and we were like more like friends. But for new producers, it's difficult for them because they have something else in mind that I am putting 10 rupee, I will get it 20 rupee or not. So this thing they have in the mind. So I am stressing this thing because before you start writing, just make sure that the guy is going to produce it or not, and secondly, whether he could afford it or not. So that is the first thing because that will give you an idea to think about the idea. Now, suppose if you are if the producer is new or can't spend much, then you can go with comedy or you can go with drama where, or maybe sitcom where not many locations are required. But if you are doing comedy, you need very good actors, and good actors
Yeah.
doesn't come cheap. They are also like they charge very high. But you can go with these genres. You can keep away like science fiction or horror or thriller. This is very, I mean, I tell you one thing that when I made my diploma film, I was humiliated in the film school. After making my film, I was humiliated by other film school guys. And I never trusted in, I mean, I had no interest in sending films to film festivals. And I never gave a damn about film festivals. My other friends and other film school people were sending to the film festivals. So when I was humiliated, I sent my film to film festival. It got selected at 4 film festival. Got selected at first in Britain, then in Spain, China, and Estonia. So, and then a Hollywood producer watched my movie and he asked me to work with a project. We didn't work, but it was a big project with a very big star. But I could write after that movie. I made that movie, and I decided at that time I had a structure. I had the lighting department at film school. I had so many things available, and but they were very very less. I mean, they were not too much. I mean, and at that time we used to shoot in 35 mm, and we were given 1:3. That means we could afford only 3 takes maximum of each shot. Generally, at that time when you used to shoot an advertisement, the ratio was 1:20. So for one shot, they could take that so much raw material, raw footage to shoot 20 shots. For films, it was like 1:5 or 6. But for film school students, it was 1:3. And then time period was also limited. I remember I shot my last shot in the very last minute, and the stock was also finished after the last take. I asked my friend, my DOP, Vinod Veerakumar, he is from Kerala. He is also a teacher in a Kerala Film Academy somewhere. So I asked him, "Do you have the much footage?" He said, "No, it was last shot and the last footage." So he saved it. Thanks to him that he saved. So you should also know that whether. So I asked my makeup artist that Robin Nashkar was his name. So he was our teacher also into makeup, and he used to help us. He was from Bengali film industry. That Dada, I have this horror film. Can you do the makeup for that? Because we don't have budget for that. He said, Nikhil, okay, don't do so much things. Don't write so much. Do something low. So I decided a character which won't be like very gore kind of movie, which require many special effects in makeup. So simple makeup was there, and he did his wonderful job. So these things you have to keep in your mind, and then think about the idea. But before that, then you think about that. I tell you my experience from the last horror web series which I wrote. I watched I wanted to write this horror web. So I was asked to write horror web series, and I actually these things I went through my mind that this might be shot in Delhi. The producer has their own capacities. They can't take they can't do. And if we go higher, we had a talk before writing. So they told me that write it simple. Don't bring so much special effect or that thing we discussed. Keeping that, but they wanted to make a horror web series because they are into the process of launching their platform for horror content. So I kept that thing in mind, and so I made a story of paranormal researchers, stories around with paranormal researchers. But that thing came to my mind after so many years. So that in that way you can think about the idea, and later on you can develop the idea. Development will always be there. That is the challenge of the writer. When you have a two liner, you have, suppose you think about this idea that a bus driver becomes owner of an airlines agency. This is now you have to develop. These are the two lines, one line, but you have to develop it into 2-page synopsis, then 2-page synopsis for each episode, and then even after 2-page writing 2-page synopsis for each episode. This is the challenge, that how you make the next. Suppose you have to make 50 pages. You have to write 50 pages for each episode. That means 50 minutes. So this is your challenge, that how to write 50 pages from those 2 pages.
Yeah, what I would like to again know something. That no, you are telling absolutely right. What we do is similar things. We develop an idea, some idea of one liner. Then we write 2 pages of the synopsis. For web series, each web series has a 1-page or 2-page synopsis. Then we go for the screenplay, and 1 minute is equal to 1 page approximate counting. It's like that. But what I was asking about the pilot of the complete web series. If the producer is asking if a pilot, now who's pilot me? What we do is
see, actually it's not, you don't have to think just about the pilot. You have to no.
In pilot, if suppose I am writing how much page should be of the pilot, and if our pilot story writing gives complete idea of the web series, or particularly some characters or that type
No,
of.
first you write a summary. First you write a synopsis for the complete web series. Okay. Suppose you have written 2 pages. We have written. suppose.
Okay.
Then you divide them into each episodes.
Okay.
You need not to tell your producer all the episodes. If the guy is asking for only for the pilot, so then you give him synopsis of his elaborated synopsis of the pilot.
Elaborated synopsis.
Yeah, if he needs synopsis, but if he needs screenplay, then you give him the screenplay.
So is that a pilot thing? We are doing the same. When they are asking, we are doing a registration in SW and we are giving a half synopsis, and on that they come to know that this type of story is there. Then suddenly after that they are going, but they have not asked the pilot till now. So that was my question. Pilot means only we have to give the synopsis 2 or 3 pages? That's what my question.
No, synopsis is synopsis. When I say I give him, then script of the pilot means proper script.
Okay. Pilot means same as we are writing as a screenplay.
Yes.
In that pilot screenplay, we have to cover complete our story web series completely, or we have to give only
No, first episode.
about-
First
First
episode.
episode.
Yeah.
First episode.
Yes. But you.
in first episode, it is possible the character which is coming in third or fourth, it may not be in first.
See, that is why I said that main characters should be introduced at least. Should be introduced in the
Yeah.
first episode. Okay.
All characters should be introduced first episode.
Try.
It's
You can
alright.
have, see, if someone can come in the later episode, but not in the first season, try to get into the second season. Now someone who is not the main character can come into the third. That's okay, that's fine, but you should have that thing ready on your on your copy, like on your paper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But it is not compulsory that pilot reveals the suspense or pilot reveals the end of the story, it reveals the climax.
No,
It
no,
is
no.
not
How
like
could you reveal everything
Exactly.
in pilot? How could you? If someone is asking that thing, then tell him or tell her that I will give you the complete synopsis of the.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you. I got my answer. Actually, many people are dodging in such way because I wanted to clear it in that platform. There, for the entrepreneur or very newcomers, the people are asking in such a way that in one episode you give me the complete story and idea. It's not like that. One
No,
episode
that means they are asking for the synopsis of the first season or complete season.
Okay.
If they are asking for this is not called pilot. This means they are asking for the complete synopsis. Suppose there are 10 episodes, then complete synopsis of those 10 episodes. But that is not called pilot.
First episode which they are going to shoot, and in that maximum characters should be covered almost.
Pardon?
Pilot means it's like 50 minutes.
Pilot is first episode. Pilot means first episode.
First episode. In which we will try to cover maximum characters.
Yeah, that depends upon you, but at least the main characters have to be
Yeah.
introduced.
Got it, Nikhil. Very good answer.
Yeah.
So this was my doubt. I think दूसरे को है या नहीं था, but I was having this doubt, so I cleared with you.
Okay. So I will, very less time is left. I will go with my. So in the first episode, we saw that Walter is a chemistry teacher. I told you about the Walter, and then we see that he's left with two people, Emilio and Crazy 8. Emilio is dead and Crazy 8 is alive, and then he has to, like, they means he and his ex-student Jesse, they have to dispose of with the Crazy 8. And then I told you yesterday that we are revealed to the character the way he uses his props. He uses like there's a scene where Jesse asks his ex-teacher Walter about a bike gear lock, that should we use it to tie him, and the teacher says yes. So we can understand that the kind of character he is and how far he can go. So then in the next episode we see Hank and his team. So this mask which was left there in the first episode, the mask is discovered in the second episode. end of the second episode. And then in the third episode, suspicion of Skylar and Walter lies to her. So his wife becomes suspicious. Walter kills Crazy 8 and Walter reveals his truth about the cancer to his wife. So actually we see that he wanted to reveal his what he is doing, but he reveals that he is cooking meth, but he reveals that he is having the cancer. And then the cooking site and meth lab discovered by Hank. So in the end of the first episode, we found that the mask is discovered by the child, a Red Indian. And then in the third episode, at the end, we see that the mask is discovered by the Hank. So this is another hook which the document I have sent you, I have mentioned that. So these are the things which are joining and building up the story. The tempo of the story has to be built. So I am stopping here because already 1 hour has been passed. So I will come tomorrow, and thank you everyone for joining. If anyone is having any question, please ask. And tomorrow I will go with this session. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining today. Due to shortage of time, it's already 11, so I try to keep it between 10 to 11. Tomorrow we will meet and discuss some more things, and please start writing, at least as we discussed today, even if you are making it for YouTube. So keep writing, start writing, write dramas and comedies which are cheap to produce. And you don't know when someone will ask you. I was thinking today, I didn't write web series, so it was also new to me. But I wrote movie scripts and I have written just my first series. I'm still writing the last 15 pages. And today, before coming to the class, I was thinking very seriously that I don't have anything to show. Suppose I am so much into, I have relations with so many people who are into the work, and if they ask me that Nikhil, give us this, give us that, I don't have. So you need to have at least 10 web series, like to show, like anyone can ask anything. And better if you have something in the same genre. And if you are planning to execute on your own or with low budgets, that go for drama. Think about the story within a locality and make up a team. Team making is also important, which actually I am also doing. And someone wants to join a Hindi script writing session, then my friend Ashish Dubey is going to take that. That would be paid. You can call me on 8575 33051 for Hindi sessions. So thank you very much all of you for coming to the session. Have a nice day.